amount. Oh my god.
So what deity can the new bussy culture expect the Usi Songasi? Also on another note, with all these subussies and these songussies, I pressy for your sanitasi. Amenacy.
I just got back from AFK.
I'm gonna tweet that. How did I unintentionally? Oh, that's so stupid. You can't gatekeep Baybussy. Baybussy. My brother started Baybussy. Yo, Baybussy.
Penisy. I'd hate for you to suffer see.
I'm gonna be sick, bro. I'm gonna be sick. I just remembered I was like in love with this boy in elementary school. And he was trying to show off to me by doing flips on the monkey bars. And then he fell on his back and got the wind knocked out of him. And I just stared and watched him. He's still my best friend to this day, but like was he crying? No, he was like help after that, but I just kind of stared at him. I didn't know what to do. I helped him after, but it took a minute. I was like, why is he like just laying there like dead? Well, he ended up being fruity, and now we're best friends. And he tells me about all of the guys he can pull. And then he's like, well, Numi, how about you? And I'm like, I'll get back to you.